Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, another update on LeveX. I've done a recent video about this excellent exchange. It's only been around just over 2 years. It's making huge strides, and obviously there's a lot of competition out there. There's many exchanges out there. There's many reasons why I like LeveX. It's basically, obviously like the fact they've got proof of funds, it's obviously incredible. They've got proof of reserves and everything's absolutely fine, but also extremely cheap trading, okay? Also allows UK users, and it's very secure. So there's obviously many aspects you want when you join the exchange. You can see also the screen, basically 350,000 traders already using this exchange. It's making huge trades. And that's what, again, when you look at exchange and you think about joining, you read up on it, you hear a lot of hype about it, you naturally go on there and you look into a lot of areas. So as you scroll down, not only got all those trading users, also got 410 trading pairs. Start trading crypto within minutes. Sign up, deposit funds, start trading. Okay, very easy to get started. Simple financial advice to always do your own research, always state that. Again, got many different trading pairs. And it says there, why do people trust LeveX? Now, again, we spoke about it briefly there, but the fact that the funds are backed 1-to-1, and they've also got a huge proof of reserves is absolutely incredible. It's also security rating is constantly being checked. CR.live, well established exchange doing their audits regularly, so that's really good. It's highly rated on Trustpilot as well, which is something I use all the time. Big influence out there as well, talking about LeveX. Some massive YouTubers, so again, people really embracing this. And again, getting in early. You can download the LeveX app on Android, on your app, me, an iPhone type person. So obviously I've got my app already. It makes it extremely easy to do that trading. So again, do your own research. But this exchange, I think, is absolutely incredible, built for longevity. It's very rare you get a project like an exchange like this where they're already making massive strides, game changers. Now, to me, one of the biggest things on here, which again makes it extremely easy, is on here. You go under market, buy crypto in 3 steps. The fact you can deposit fiat onto an exchange and buy crypto is fantastic. But where LeveX is again different, is you can actually draw to your bank. Now, me personally, for absolute years now, I've been using Coinbase as well as Bitpanda. Now, I use Bitpanda all the time, literally bank transfers. The fact they're doing it here is actually incredible. So again, it's not many exchanges that offer that, and I think again that's quite a game changer. So that was great to see. Now, strongly suggest you follow them on X. I love all their posts. They do competitions and talk about generally about the market or reposts and stuff, and just generally out there about the news. So join one of the fastest growing exchanges. Okay. Now I do have a referral link below to support the channel. I do appreciate everyone who's already used my referral link. Again, it's wonderful people doing it. I truly, honestly thank everyone for doing that. I really do. So please join using my link below. Many aspects you go on their dashboard. Now you've got everything up here. You expect like the markets, the trade. Now here is obviously a standard layout. You expect this to see anywhere. Okay, so you've got BTC, USDT. Now, when you go on the right-hand side here, you just have to basically put a search in any project and it'll bring up if it's listed. Now, there seems to be lists, when you scroll down, they're listing many, many projects. Some low-cap gems, all the established ones. So many opportunities and layers here. But you can even go search. Instead of scrolling down, you can put, for example, HBAR, Hedera, one of my favourites out there. I actually love, and it actually brings it up straight away. So you can see there, HBAR, USDT, again, it brings down here. And you can, what I like about it is every aspect of it. They've make it so easy to transfer. Now I've got a little bit of USDT on here. Again, it makes it extremely easy. So I'll get myself some more. I tend to buying a lot of different ones at the moment. I've bought a lot of new projects lately, but at the moment I'm just accumulating the established ones already in my top 10, like your HBAR, your Say. I must do another video about my top 10. And also still a bit more Cardano as well, okay? So I think these prices, again, not financial advice, me personally, are ridiculously low and huge potential. Whether we get this bull market soon or 2026 early or whatever, I think these prices to me are extremely low. But again, there's obviously no guarantee. That's what I strongly do believe. So again, it makes it extremely easy. Got my little bit of USDT there. All you have to do, I want to get 75% of it, 100% of it, and I can get myself some HBAR. Okay, and it makes it really easy. Okay, the fact I've got 70 USDT, I have to use it. Otherwise, it's just basically sat there doing nothing unless you want to sort of, you can actually put in sort of investments like your Tether and stuff, but it's minimal. I prefer to go in HBAR. You can see there, so it's extremely easy. So I'm going to get myself some more HBAR today, just that 70 USDT I've got on there. But when it comes to trading, go more in depth. They've got many aspects apart their trading. They'll take it again. A lot of standard layouts you expect here. You can see here, and obviously the BTC USDT is the most popular one. Obviously, it's great to see Bitcoin literally just smashing through the 90,000 mark. Now they've got everything on the right hand side, which you expect from most exchanges, but they've got many different parts. Now I've done a lot of trading here. I say it's easier to draw in here, which is what I like. Now you can see the margin mode. It talks about the leverage. Now it's extremely high risk. Do your own research, but the leverage you see 500x That is a lot. Okay, so again, that's extremely, it even states there, higher leverage, e.g. 10 times 1, increase your exposure to liquidation risk, trade with caution and manage your risk. So again, you've got to be very brave to kind of do that, haven't you? But also you've got many other sections, and I've got this one here. Talk about the position mode. Again, the hedge mode. Under hedge mode, you can simultaneously hold both long and short positions of a contract. One-way mode. You can hold either long or short position of a contract. Multi-trade mode. So again, they've got many different parts of it. Okay, I love all the bit down here as well. Got the long, take profits, stop loss there, and you've got your shorts as well. You can open a long or a short, depends what you want to do. And also like this section here, good deal cancel. This is something that I really do like. If you're happy to do a long trade, for example, when you're doing that long, it's fine. Or you can do immediate or cancel if you want to set some real tight boundaries. Okay, fill or kill, basically it's like split second, and it's done. So again, there's many aspects, and they cover many parts of this trading. So at the moment, I'm using this a lot. I've just withdrawn a fair bit. I've left 70 USDT. Basically, just want to get myself some altcoins ready, just a little bit of H-bar. But I want to use this a lot more. So I think it's important the next video actually show me doing some trading, setting it up. But you can see there's many parts to it. It's not just limit. You've got your market conditional, be open. But say, me personally, I don't tend to do the leverage because that is extremely high risk. But I do like this new bit, the hedged. I think that was really good. But obviously, do a long and a short. I tend to do open longs than I do shorts. That's just me personally. But again, everyone's got their own plans and their own research and what they want to do. But when it comes to trading, this is a wonderful one-stop shop. To think you can deposit and withdraw to your bank so easy is absolutely fantastic. I really do like that. Now, when you go on independent, you see on CoinMarket, they've done a review of LeveX. You can see the total assets. Now, you can see the totals over nearly £8 million. Okay, now, they do a lot of trading. You can see there's a lot tied in every day. So again, it's basically just over 2 years old. So I think they're absolutely fantastic. But when you actually scroll through, you see why people like this and people are embracing it. You can see who are the founders, etc. And they talk about the top level crypto exchange builders and successful traders of previous. But this bit here, LeveX maintains competitive fees at 0.006. It's ridiculous low while building features to help traders learn from each other's experience. So again, when you factor in other traders' experience, one you can learn from them is really good. Okay. Again, it goes down to restricted countries, what coins are supported. And I said there's a lot on here, all the standard ones, plus some low caps. This is really good. But I think the fees is something, again, that sticks out. And also the fact they've got the proof reserves. As I said earlier, that is absolutely fantastic. Now, as I do have a referral link. You can get these wonderful rewards by signing up, get yourself some free tether. Do have a link below to support the channel, as I say. Wonderful time here to just join up, get started. But anyway, help us, obviously, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or the social media links. So come and join us on a Telegram group, Facebook group, help any way I can. Appreciate if you just get into crypto, it's extremely massive minefield, and it's many, many open questions, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, so you've got the referral link, does support the channel, as I say, really do appreciate it. It's really wonderful time to be in crypto. Obviously, the market's been stagnant now for so long. Who knows where we're sort of going with this crypto market? But when I look at Bitcoin, I think people can see where it's going to go. There's so much manipulation, in my opinion. Unfortunately, Bitcoin still drives the market. Even though we're in 2025, coming to the end of 2025, it's still manipulated by the Bitcoin price, okay? Unless you get into some real low-cap pump and dump projects. But otherwise, the market is so guided by that. Now, naturally, the normal trajectory of the sort of markets was that people have gone out of Bitcoin to get into altcoins, and you get the bull market, but that hasn't really happened. I think because probably there's so many projects out there. So I think it's a wonderful time to be in crypto. I truly do. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to accumulate, and this is what I'm doing. How long will it take? But I set price targets for each project, so only time will tell. But always do that. Always take your profits. Don't just let it run and run, and also make your crypto work for you, especially when the market is so stagnant. It's a wonderful opportunity. So thanks very much. Do some more videos soon. It's a wonderful time, I say, to be in crypto here. So thanks very much. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.